Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel on this beautiful day. What's going on? How you guys doing? So we're gonna be working on something pretty cool today. I know I made enemy spawner and boss and a bunch of other stuff we gotta work on, but you know what? We're just gonna close that down right now. And we're gonna keep player open because there's something we gotta do. Now what I really wanna do is I want to update player right here, and I want to send in scroll speed somehow, because the player is going to move as fast as the scroll speed, and I'm thinking the stage is always going to have the same scroll speed, or if it doesn't, how does the game initialize? I have to see this, because the game has to initialize the player. It initializes view, the map, and then the player. So it always initializes the map first. It loads fonts, the view, the textures, the map, the player, and then the UI after everything else. So that's the order it initializes in. Now, that makes it safe for us to send in our stage into the movement or whatever we want to do. So, and that makes it safe for us to check for collision in here as well. But nevertheless, never mind. What we do is we send in stage here. We're gonna send in a stage. Const stage reference. Alright, now stage doesn't exist because stage is not included in player. Let's just do a float scroll speed. Let's send in a scroll speed in here. That's good enough. Const float scroll speed. Let's do that. Let's go into movement. What is it? Movement? Scroll speed. And that means we're gonna have to send in scroll speed into update as well. Just our regular update. And that means that we're gonna go into here. So it's gonna move as fast as scroll speed. So current velocity is always gonna be just scroll speed multiplied by dt multiplied by this dt multiplier plus. So this is just the x. This is the x, alright? It's gonna always move with this speed multiplied by this. And or plus the actual current velocity. So it will always be moving to the right. And as I close this, I go into update, which will need a float scroll speed as well. And then I'll send it into movement scroll speed, and then go into game update, player update, and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do stage get scroll speed. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna send in the scroll speed into the update. Let's just see everything I send in. That's good. That's great. Yeah, that's great. All right. One other thing I want to do later is to set a DT multiplier in Wingman, which is static, and then I'll use that everywhere instead of using DT multiplier in every class, and that might help me a bit. Like here, DT multiplier, move that, just remove that, and maybe key time as well. I can have that as a static in Wingman. And because I can use it anywhere then. But yeah, whatever. We'll just keep it like this for now. It's fine. Now let's just try this. Let's try this and see if the player moves constantly to the right, even though I don't do anything. It does. He does, or he or she or whatever. So I don't have to move my character anymore while it's moving through space. It's always moving. Oh wait, what the hell was that? Oh, it's because I'm always moving. Okay, okay, okay. You know what? 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 I'm gonna have to do that as well. So player. Update. Where is it? Add stat points random. Update accessories. Right? I think it's the main gun. So it if the position is less, then it moves 55. Okay. Okay, that's good. And get positions greater than, then it's just gonna set the position to the original position. Alright, that just sets the position to the original position. This is if it's less than, and every time I shoot, it's gonna go forward like this. And it has to move with scroll speed at the same time. So that's gonna be interesting to do. Let's go into update accessories and just do that. Scroll speed. Whoops. Const float scroll speed. Just like that. And then in update, I'm gonna send in scroll speed. And I know it's not the best way maybe to do it, scroll speed, but it has to be done. I'll try to figure out a better way to do this later, but let's do scroll speed multiplied by dt multiplied by this dt multiplier plus that. So we'll see if this works. Yep, that does work. Okay, that does work. So at least we're... But look how it's kind of... While I move backwards, it's like that. While I move forwards, it's like that. That's kind of cool. I like that. I like that. That's nice. Let me see if I find a rapid fire, so I can see how that looks, if it works. Here we go. Yep, that does work. It does work. It does work. Boom, 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 boom. Hell yeah. And the shield works as well, per usual. Perfect. Alright, so we're good. That's nice. That's good to know. Let us call that finished for now. Update. For now, let's call that finished. Let's make a new class now called main menu. Main menu. So we're going to be working with some main menu stuff. We're going to be working with some main menu stuff, which I like, which I really, really, really like. So we're going to have a, this is just going to be a little setup. We're going to have a void draw. Render target. Okay, yeah, we have to include SFML in here as well. And how are we going to do that? Well, wingman. What included wingman last? Stage? No, tile array. Tile. I think it was power up. I think it was enemy spawner then, right? Wingman.h. So I'll just include, because the main menu needs to have access to everything. It has to have access to everything. So I'll just do this, then I'll do include main menu.h, and in main menu.h I will include wingman.h. And that means we are good to go. Render target target, and then above that void update const float dt. Const float dt. Okay, and then we're gonna do a bunch of stuff in here, and that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be great. And this is gonna take a while to finish, because we're gonna have to make another class called button, and a button handler, which will take care of all the button presses and stuff. And to do that, we're gonna have to include that into Wingman, because the button is gonna be included everywhere. That's good. That's great. Okay. Good to know, good to know, good to know. Alright. That's nice. Well, we have a main menu. We'll keep that on ice. We're going to be working with that closely. How long is this video? 10 minutes? Okay, I won't be able to really start working on that just yet. But I have a little thought. I'm going to have to design it a little bit first so I know what I'm doing for you guys. Otherwise, it's going to be a problem. But that's good for now. That's good for now. I think. What else? What else? What else? Well, we had the enemy spawner, which we wanted to set out. So if we have game map maker and we say first of all, you know what, we're gonna do something game map maker. We're gonna do this. All right, mouse positions UI selector text selector text. We're gonna say font and then in-game map maker initialize init UI, and then we're gonna make another function called init UI, then just void init text. Let's do that, and then update controls, update view, update timers. Let's just say we have update text here, void update text. All right, so this is beneath init textures. Game map maker init text, and then we'll game map maker add remove tiles. Where's that? Add remove tiles. Screw that. Right here. It's called update text. All right, so here we go. Now in update, I might want to update the text before the UI. Text update. This update text, and then drawing the UI, draw UI window, draw UI view. So I'm always gonna draw the UI, whatever, we'll figure that out. I think I need something called draw text. So that text, draw text, I'll draw it out in UI viewer window. I'll draw those out there. But for now, update text is good and init text is good. So this font dot load from file. Now let's see where we have that damn font. So Wingman fonts. I think it's Metropolitan Display. Font. Metropolitan display dot ttf. Oh my god. Okay, that's good. So we have that. We have a font. Now we have a selector text. This selector text dot set character size. Set it to 14. This selector text dot set color white. That's good. That's good. This selector text dot set position. This empos window. That's good. Oh, this empos. It should be. Mouse get position. I think that gets a vector 2i. Okay, vector 2f. This mouse pos window. Okay, that's good. Alright, so we'll set it there. And then we'll just copy this, and in update text we'll just do that. And then in update text we do that there. In draw UI view, draw UI window, we'll say this window draw this selector text. Alright, so update text, that's good. That's good. Let's do this. If this, now let me see what kind of things we have here. If this background tile, then this selector text dot set string background else if this, what else is there? What else is there? What else is there? That's about it, isn't it? I mean, there isn't too much else. There isn't too much else. Text. Let's just do else if this background tile. Whoops. Regular tile. So let me just see if this works. So then we'll know what we're selecting right now. A little bit of information. Oh good, yeah, hammers. Oh, I already had a font. Already had a font. Interesting. Interesting, interesting. Interesting, interesting. That's good. That's good. Alright, let's see. Oh no, we're in game still. In main, 17 minutes. Alright. True. Time to end this video in a minute. Just true this. True that. True that. And then we'll do this. Oh wait, I never drew the... Wait. Okay, I never drew that stuff. Update. Wait, whoa. Update text, set position, set it to the mouse position in the window. Let's draw it here. Draw UI window. Draw UI view. Draw this selector. Let me try this. Draw the selector text. There might be some issue with the selector text. Nope. Oh, you know what? Let me try both of these, and let me just say if this background set string background regular tile. Do I do update text and update? This update text. I do. Oh wait, I never do set font. This selector text dot set font this font. So we activate the font. I thought fonts. Is it fonts? Metropol TTF display. If std cout no font, new line. It might be this, it might be that. Let me see. No, it's not. It does get the font. It's just it doesn't draw it out. So I have the white, I have the mouse position window. I set it to that. I mean I set the init text. Let me just set this selector text dot set string None. Let me just try this. Let me see if it does that. Nope. Nope. That's interesting. That's interesting, guys and girls. Well, I'll keep working on it. It's 20 minutes now. I shouldn't really keep doing this right now. Wait, update text. Okay. Draw UI window. So how does that work? If this window UI, if this, okay, so it should draw. It should draw the selector text. Okay, whatever. We'll check it out in the next video, alright? I'll try to fix it and then I'll update you on the next one. But thanks for watching still. Take care and I'll see you in the next one, alright? Bye-bye.